Accent reduction. Master English pronunciation with apps and websites. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at how we can use language learning apps and websites to master English pronunciation. We'll be diving into why they're useful, which features to look for, and how to use them effectively. Let's take this exciting journey towards perfecting your English accent. Language learning apps and websites have become increasingly popular in recent years. Why? Because they're accessible, flexible, and interactive. You can learn anywhere, anytime, right from your pocket. Whether you're on a coffee break or commuting, these tools make your learning experience efficient and enjoyable. Moreover, they provide valuable tools such as interactive pronunciation guides, voice recognition technology, and native speaker audio, making them perfect platforms to work on your accent. When choosing your digital language learning companion, pay attention to these crucial features. 1. Interactive pronunciation guides. These guides use visuals to show you how to position your mouth and tongue to produce the right sounds. This feature is crucial because it provides a detailed insight into the physical aspect of pronunciation. 2. Voice recognition technology. This technology gives instant feedback on your pronunciation. It can identify your mistakes and show you how to correct them. Remember, consistent and immediate feedback is crucial for accent reduction. 3. Native speaker audio. Listening to native speakers is an excellent way to get a feel for the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation of English. Look for apps that provide plenty of native speaker audio to listen to. 4. Dictation exercises. These exercises are a great way to test your listening and pronunciation skills simultaneously. They help you improve your understanding of spoken English and also give you a chance to mimic native speaker pronunciation. Using apps and websites for language learning is not just about passively consuming content, it's about using them strategically. Here are some strategies. 1. Active listening. Don't just listen to the audio. Engage with it. Repeat the sentences, try to mimic the speaker's intonation and rhythm, and pause the audio if needed to try and reproduce the sounds accurately. 2. Shadowing technique. This is an excellent method to improve your pronunciation. Listen to a sentence and then try to repeat it exactly as you heard it, mimicking the speaker's intonation, rhythm, and pronunciation. 3. Listen and record. Most apps offer the option to record yourself. Use it. Listen to a sentence, record yourself repeating it, and then compare your pronunciation with the original audio. This practice gives you a clear understanding of your strengths and weaknesses. And there you have it, folks. Language learning apps and websites are fantastic tools to help you on your journey towards mastering English pronunciation. By looking for key features and implementing effective listening strategies, you can make the most out of these platforms. Remember, consistent practice is the key. So keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll see significant improvements in your accent. Happy learning!